Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, good afternoon. Can you hear me
Good
properly?
afternoon.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So we were doing Google Ads. So have you tried Google Ads? You were trying yesterday.
Yeah, I tried. It happened. Like
Okay.
payment, we didn't go through payment,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
then rest procedure we did.
Okay, that's great. Okay. So today we did this sales. I mean, we did website traffic, search, display, and video. We have to do, right? Hmm. Okay, so I think just let me check. Mm, okay, so these are all enabled. So this is what we are done. So if you feel that your ad is not going properly. Okay, so we did which campaign last time? Leads display we had done. Okay, so today we have to do video. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so we will select say product and brand consideration, and today we will do video ad from that. And now see over here we are having different options. The last time what options we got was website traffic, then phone calls and app installs and store visits. Those were the options that we got. And now in this we have the option to select a campaign subtype. It can be influence consideration, so influence consideration of your products and brands with skippable in-stream ads. So if you want to have skippable in-stream ads, then you can use this one. And if you want to have an ad sequence, so ad sequence is something like a story. So story is something like say you host a webinar, and in that various people would come and they would go, and now whenever they visit any website or YouTube at that point of time, they will see skippable ads, and over there you can tell them that, oh, okay, you have it's good that you have attended our session, and now I am going to tell you the next thing, and the next other things that are going to come up in this. So something like that story. So when they take action on that, then they will see the third video, I mean second video. Then they take some action, then they'll see the fourth video, like that. So it is automatic. So that is ad sequence. So you can tell a story by showing various ads into this. So that will go only to those people and not other people. And then you can have a shopping this ads, wherein you can promote relevant products and get people into your shop or your website with skippable in-stream ads. So I mean, over here also you have skippable in-stream ads, and over here also you have skippable in-stream ads. Now over here, I mean, say if this is only if you have some products to sell, otherwise you can use this option. And story is something like if you have a concept, then in that case you can create multiple videos, and then you can show to them. So the best option is influence consideration, where you can use skippable ads. So I will click on continue, and after that I need to give a name to the campaign. So I would say mm, product brand consideration video. So video ads. Okay, so now over here you can see this maximum cost per view. So this is what we were waiting for, wherein say you can select what is you want. So whether you want cost per view. So over here we do not have any other options, CPM or target cost per action or maximize conversion. Over here no conversion is there, no cost per milestone is there. So over here we have cost per view, and cost per view is something the best option that you will be charged only when someone will see your video, otherwise you will not be charged. So minimum say 4 to 6 seconds until they skip on the click on the button skip ads. So by that time you will be covering the most of the part in your video. So I mean that is one of the best thing. So there you can create a video which can be say for from 15 seconds to 2 minutes, something like that. So that kind of video you can use. So this is one of the best thing, cost per view, wherein only you will be charged when you will be someone will see your video. Then we need to enter the budget type and amount. So over here we have campaign total or daily. So campaign total is like you are limiting that, okay, once you reach 2000 or 5000 your ad will stop. Or else you can select if you want to keep it ongoing, you want to continue that, you want to say that okay fine, if the ad is doing good then I want to continue. So you can use daily, and daily you can say that okay fine, I want say to spend 1000 rupees for this on a daily basis. And over here you can edit the start date and end date. So you can say that okay fine, I want to start my ad from tomorrow and end date would be none. So this none will come only when say you select daily budget. So if I select this campaign total, then you have to provide an end date, because the campaign total is will be divided between those days. So say if I'm starting my campaign from 7th, and say if I end it till 30th, so in this say approximately 24 days, it will be divided, this 1000 rupees will be divided by 24, and this is the approximate cost which will be spent per day. So that is what it is. So now I mean 41 rupees is too less for a video campaign. So say the you can consider reducing some days. So maybe you can select some 8 to 10 days, and then you can see 100 rupees daily budget. But still 100 rupees is also very less, so you can still further reduce it. So I mean if you cannot increase the budget, then you can limit the time frame. So now you can see 250 rupees daily budget, and your campaign will start on 7th and it will end on 10th. But if you want to continue, then you can select that okay daily I want to spend 1000 rupees, and say yeah, I want to select none. So this is what it is. And then I need to select, then the other options would remain the same, like enter the location. So I can enter the location, Mumbai and Navi Mumbai are already added, and languages, all languages are selected. And delivery options, so standard delivery, that we have already selected. Last time also we had selected the standard delivery. And over here if you want to exclude some of the options, say like embedded YouTube videos or live streaming videos, but the maximum ads that will be shown will be on YouTube. So if at all, if any ad comes up over here, it's fine, because you will get yeah, you will get options wherein say more people from other websites will also be able to see your ad. So that's fine, and these all are standard formats. I mean you can keep all these as it is, so that it will reach more places. So that is what is excluded types and labels, where you want to restrict your ads. And then additional settings, I mean over here account level conversion settings. So over here you can say conversion settings. Over here, since we are using this uh, video per view, over here we can see video view. Over here we haven't selected any conversions for video views. So I mean it is not I mean we cannot use the conversion, so we will use it account level conversion settings only. Then or else maybe you want people to visit say any page, when they click on your ad, at that time also you it can convert. So this is good option. So I mean you can select include in conversion. So everything is whatever we have added in conversions, say from this tools we had selected conversions. Over here you can see the conversions. So these conversions can be anything, where people can visit a particular page, or they can purchase anything, or they can install an app. So those are the things. So over here you can see smart campaign, map direction. So whenever people will see some direction on our map which we had added in Google My Business, So even when they look at our directions, look up our directions, then also it is called as conversion. Then click to call, so whenever they click on the ad on the mobile device and they call us, that is also one conversion. Then local actions, that is directions. Then then they purchase something, then over here they are purchasing a particular product that we have added, so even that is possible. Then calls from smart ad campaign, so call from the ads, so on the ads also we provide some call to action, so those also are considered as conversions. And over here helpopedia install, so that is from Google Play, so that is when they install our app, so that is also called as conversion. Then phone leads and leads, so these all are different types of conversions. So now if you want, you can add a new conversion, say like website. Under website conversion you have online sales, link clicks, page views, signups. Or else under apps you have app installs, in-app purchases or in-app actions. Or else phone calls, you want phone calls from the ads or from your websites or mobile number sites, click on the number on the mobile sites, that option is also okay. Or else you can import, you can import data from Google Analytics, Salesforce, offline lead conversions and phone sales. So once you upload the data, at that time it will consider all the actions which are there over here. So usually what we select, I mean you can select a website conversion or say app. So mostly website and phone call are one of the best options, wherein you can directly get in touch with the people who are visiting our website or say YouTube channels or social media, whatever we are promoting. So or say we want signups or say purchases, so that is all website conversion. So over here we can select any conversion, so I'm selecting, and then I can select what I want to track. uh, I can track anything. I can track a purchase, I can track if people are adding the product to cart, then people are clicking on checkout button, they are subscribing to my newsletters, they are contacting me, or they are submitting a lead form, or they are booking an appointment, they are signing up as an affiliate, or maybe requesting a quote from the website, they are getting directions from the map, or outbound click on the website, so any link that is clicked on the website. And more category is a page view or anything other that you want, so I mean you can select anything. So this is what we want. So over here we can say that okay, page view, or say over here we are promoting digital marketing courses, so we can say that okay, since this is a video ad, what I want is they can click and submit a lead form, so they can use this and over here submit a lead, submit lead form, so that we can use the same value for each conversions or use different value for each conversion, so that is fine. So I mean whatever, if we want to track a particular product, then I can provide what is the amount. So the diploma in digital marketing is costing 58,500, so if I write 58,500, then it will track only this product which is having this cost, so it will track that how many conversions for this product has happened. If I select different values, then I can add different values over here. And if I say that don't use value for this conversion, then this is not recommended. So that is what we can use. So this is what we can use for values, so I can provide whatever it is. So I can select say the lowest one, that is 31,500, and then every so how many conversions you want to count per click or interaction. So every click, because say if that person is purchasing say two products or three products, or say if he is purchasing 10 products say 5 times, or 10 products in one time, or say he is purchasing 10 products in 10 times, so we want say to calculate each and every conversion, because say for us sales is important. If I select only one, then if he is purchasing even 10 times, then only one is considered. So I mean that is not the right analytics, because the product sold were 10 and the count was only one, so that we don't want. So we select every, so that is recommended for purchase, because every purchase is valuable, so that is what we select. And one is recommended for leads, signups and conversion. So over here we do not get a duplicate data, So that is, say, like if I have filled up a form, and if I'm filling up a form, then every form is not required, because then it becomes a duplicate data. So I want unique data. Only one person is filling up a form 5 times, then it should be considered only one. So at that point of time I will use only one. And if it is a purchase, then every purchase is valuable, so that time I can use this. And this is click through conversion window. So after viewing the ad, or after clicking on the ad, how many days that click will be counted. So you can keep that, okay, 30 days or 1 week or 2 weeks, whatever you want. So usually people keep for 30 days, that within 30 days people might take decide and take some action on our website or on our conversion. And view through conversion window, this is something wherein you can select the maximum time after the person views your ad. So this can be, say, like 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. So I mean we can keep it say for 30 days. So that is a good option. And include in conversion. So say we have a report, under report we can see conversions, how many conversions have happened. So yes, I mean we want to include that in conversion, so that we can select. And what conversion we want, I mean we can select all the conversions. So I mean people can take any action, so that is not a problem. So all of them. And attribution, so that is the last click. We always select last click and not the first click or linear click or time decay or position based. So I mean over here this is not useful for us, especially when we are talking about a sale. Because in the sale the last click is important. Last click is something wherein you click on the checkout, you make the payment, and everything is done. So that checkout button and proceeding to checkout, that is the last click, and after which he takes action, or say the visitor takes action on the website, and then the payment is made, and that sale occurs. So that is the last click. Now if I click on first click, if I select first click, for example in purchase, then what happens, that if I click on add to cart, then only add to cart is calculated, but after that what happens we do not know. So for that reason first click cannot be seen. And linear click is the difference between, say, distributed say, I mean the clicks that are distributed on the path. So it can be like say logging into the account, then adding the product to the cart, then clicking on checkout button, and then proceeding to the payment. So it could be linear clicks. So I mean we need to provide that, okay, what are the clicks that we want to track. So it is not just one click. So that is what it is. And over here it is time decay. Time decay is something wherein it gives say more credit to the clicks that happens closer in time to conversion. So I mean it is like say in how much time how many people are clicking on that link and making a purchase, and how fast they are making. So that is time decay. So I mean over here also we cannot calculate that how many people are purchasing, because over here we are not getting to know that whether they have clicked the first click, or the last click has happened, or the last checkout option has been done or not. So that is all over here, that is time decay. And position base gives you 40% of credit of both to the first click and last click, and remaining 20% distributes to the other click. So over here we can track exactly that which was the first click that they did, from where did they come, what are the things, what are the links that they click, and which was the first click, which was the last click. We can track each and everything about the clicking history. So I mean if you want, you can track, position based tracking can be done, or else the best option is the last click. So we always use the last click for purchases. So that is one of the best thing. And then you can click on create and continue. And now over here you need to install your tag. So install your tag like yourself by adding a tag to your website code, or email the tag to the webmaster, or install Google Tag Manager on the website. So I can say that, okay, fine, I will use it myself. I will use HTML or AMP. So I'll say HTML, and global site tag isn't installed on all your HTML pages. So okay, that's fine. The global site tag is already installed on all pages, but comes from another Google product such as Google Analytics. So that is also fine, because say all products are Google are interlinked with each other. So the verification would be done if you have done verification on one property of Google, then that is considered for others. See over here it says Google site tag is already installed on the all pages. So that is we had installed Google Analytics on our website, and that code is activated and we are getting results from Google Analytics, and and from Google Ads also. Say for Google Ads is also activated, so that we are running the ads. So that is what it is showing over here. And the global site tags on all the pages was installed already when you created the conversion action. So say we are already using conversion tags. That is the reason over here we are seeing all the different types of conversions that are happening. So over here when I click on conversion action, so at that point of time, we can see all these conversions. Otherwise we would have not been seen all these conversions. So it says that global site tag on all the pages was installed when I created a conversion action. So that was all the conversions which I have created. So now over here the next thing is say like what is the event snippet. So event snippet works with the global site tag to track actions that should be counted as conversion. So what action can be counted as a conversion? I mean page load cannot be counted as a conversion. I can say that yes, click can be considered as a conversion. So I mean I want then this snippet I need to copy and I can install it over there, and then I can click on next, and you have set up submit lead form conversion action, and it's done. So now I don't need to take care of the code which I've copied over here. So like this code I had copied, but that was grayed out because I have already installed it in all my pages, so that's fine. So I don't need this code on my website because it is already associated with Google Analytics and Google Ads. It's already there. So now we can see that over here submit lead form for website has been done. So this is okay. So now it is done. So now we can select any conversions if we want, and if we want to select all the conversions over here, then I will select use account level include in conversion settings. So whatever conversions we have selected, all the conversions will be counted. So that is this conversions. This is very important. I explain this in detail because say people get confused in conversion, that what is conversion, how to use it and how to create the conversion. So now you know that you can create conversion from tools and going to conversions. So conversion is measurement, so measuring all the sales and uh, actions that people are taking on your website or on your online properties. So that is conversions. And now we continue with this. So on which all devices do you want your ads to come up? Say it says on all eligible devices like computers, mobile, tablets, TV screens, everywhere. And if at all say you are targeting a particular type of device with a particular operating system with a particular version, then you can select this option. You, under computers you can select say operating systems. So you can select which operating system, say like Android, BlackBerry, iOS, WebOS, Windows Phone, which operating system. So then you can select that okay, Android. Then under Android, which version you want to target this ad. So you can say that okay fine, I want to target say if you are launching a particular application, say mobile app you are launching, which is compatible with minimum 8.0 version. So you will say that okay fine, I want my ads to be shown only to the eligible devices, that is from 8.0 to the current latest version of Android device, and I can say done. So your ad will go only to the people who are using Android devices with the version 8.0 installed in their device, the minimum version, and the latest version whatever is going on. I believe it is 11th version is going on. So that is what we can use. We can provide our ad to only those kind of people, and it will not go to other people. A similar way in BlackBerry also you can select the versions. In iOS also you can select the version. WebOS, Windows Phone, you can select what versions you want. So I mean you don't want all these things, you want your ad to come up everywhere. Then device models. So this was operating system. If you say that you want your ad to go on all operating systems, then you select all of them. And if you want to select a specific mobile device, so under Android you will get each and every company listed over here. All the manufacturers of the devices, of Android devices, will be listed. Now if you select Micromax over here, and if you say a particular model in Micromax, say like okay Canvas Juice, or say this Q40 Bharat 2 Plus that you want, then your ad will come only on these devices and none other devices. So it will come up like this. Then maybe Nokia. So under Nokia you can select whatever you want. You under Nokia 2, 2.1, 2.2, like this. Only these particular models will show your ad. Similarly, all other companies devices you can select like this. So whichever model number. So there could be some updates, say like manufacturers want to give some updates, or maybe want to tell that okay fine, this is the latest version, and say maybe they have come up with a new version, that is this one. So they want that all the people who are using these devices, or say maybe 2 3 previous versions devices, and they want to upgrade to the latest version by say offering some discount specially to them, then I mean they can promote this ad. Then only the people who are using these devices will get the ad. So for that reason you can select this device models. And network also, said network is again over here, we can select whatever network. So if you select Wi-Fi, then your ad will go only to the people who are on Wi-Fi network and not on data connection. So that is what it is. And then over here India, under India, if you want to select say which carrier you want your ads to be placed. So if I am using Airtel, or I'm using Idea, or anything else I'm using, then you can select whatever you want. If you select Idea, then only the people who are on Idea network the ads will go, it will not go to any other people. If you select Reliance Jio and Vodafone, then only ads will go to only these two carriers, the people if they are using these two devices, these two carriers I mean. So I mean you can use this. So your targeting is too specific provided over here. So that is what you can differentiate, that where you want your ads to go, whether on operating system, specific operating system, or specific device models, or specific networks. But if you want if you don't want to select anything, and you want to your ad to go on all the places, then you can select this, show on all eligible devices, computers, mobile, tablets and TV screens. So your ads will go everywhere. And then again frequency capping. So I mean we don't use frequency capping unless and until there is a very low budget, and you want to cap the frequency, like how many impressions per day. So I mean you can say that one person will see only 10 impressions per day, so or per week or per month, that is what we can use. Or else maybe I can use capping view frequency, so how many times the ad will be viewed by that person. So that is view capping. And over here it is impression capping. Impression capping is something wherein say your ad can come and go, and people might not notice also. That is impression, whether they take action or not, it's okay. And over here how many times that ad in this campaign can get view or interaction from the same user. And over here it says limit how many times that ad in this campaign can show to the same user. So that is say we can say that it almost looks the same, and but there is a just minor difference. Over here it is impression of the ad, and over here viewing of the same ad to the same user. That is what. So I can just say that okay, one impression per day, or say 1 week or 1 month. So that person will not see this ad more than one time per day or per week or per month, whatever we have selected. So that is what we want. So I mean if I select this, then I don't want say, then in that case I will be limiting my campaigns. The ad delivery would be very less. So if say maybe 5,000 ads might be shown in one day, then in that case only maybe 100 or 200 ads will be shown in a day if I use any frequency capping. So I don't want that frequency capping. And then I select ad schedule. So that is again the same like the previous one. You can select the days and time whatever you want. If you want 24/7, then you select this default option 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. and all days. So that is what you can do. And then over here ad group name. So I will use the same ad group name. Oops, yeah. so that I can differentiate the campaigns and ad groups and everything. And then over here you select your demographics, age, gender and all those things. So over here gender, all of them, age group, if you want, depending on the type of the ad that you want to show to people, so that okay, this product can be used only from this age to this age, or say from this age to this age. So I mean that you can select, so that's your choice on what you are promoting. So in my case, if I'm promoting a digital marketing course, then I can select that okay, from 18 to 44 it's okay. Other people might or might not do, so people age of 45. So I mean it's not like that, because if I tell you that my oldest student was of 79 years, so I mean she was a lady, she was a writer, and she wanted to do digital marketing and promote her blogs that she used to write. So she has written many books also. So she was, yes, again, yeah, from walk-in Thane branch. So I mean like that, I mean there is no restrictions, but those types of students might come up once in a blue moon. So if older people will see my ad and they don't take any action, then I mean it's waste of money. So I would limit that where you have the best chances of seeing your ads, and the people who might be interested and take action on your ad. So this is the best range that I have selected for my type of ad. And then parental status, so that is not a problem, anyone can do. And household income, that also doesn't matter if they are interested to do this ad. I mean take up this course. And then again, like we need to select our audience, so remaining part would be the same. So I can select whatever I want, say business education, social media enthusiastic, or say technology education, or anything related to it. So whatever I want I can search, or I can browse, selecting the different affinity categories or in market segments, whatever we had learned in Google Analytics. So these are the category of people where I want to promote, or maybe I can search for some keywords over here, so that I can use, say maybe online class I can select. And if there are any online classes, so you see over here I can see open online courses, or say something like that, whichever is related I can select. Okay, so yeah, I mean college graduation, graduating soon, recently graduated, or starting a business soon. So see, even the people who are starting the business, they also will be requiring digital marketing. Then they will get to know that okay, if I want to promote my business, then I will require digital marketing. So I can target those kind of people also. So it depends on what you want to do. Then current college going students, then parents of grade school 6 to 12 years, no, that's not required. Advanced degrees, high school graduates, or else maybe I can select anything else. So like this, I mean say even business professionals who want to promote their business, so even I can select them. So like this I can promote my ad to these type of categories, and then I can select my target audience. And then over here the best thing I can provide with the help of my keywords, topics and placement. So placement is where exactly I want my ads to come, so I can select with the help of keywords. So I can, the best option is I will type my website URL and it will take all the keywords automatically from my website. So I can say that okay, mm, oops. So these are all the keywords that are there from my website. So I can just select everything whatever is there on my website, whatever things I've added I can add that. So this is done. And then after that I can even select online courses. So the keywords related to online courses I can select, say online study courses, online course by course, online course university, or online course from all courses, management online education courses, online classes courses, on study courses, courses in online courses or online studies, anything which is related to. Or else I can say digital marketing courses. or else I can just say digital marketing courses. Okay, so online marketing course, internet marketing, marketing courses, marketing courses online. Now the best part is I'll tell you. Over here I have typed with my keywords, and I had added my website URL. Now if you know that there are various competitors for your business, you can add their URL. I mean, this is one of the best part, huh? You can add your competitors URL and take up all the related keywords that they are using on their website. Say like I can use mcta.co.in and I'll press enter. Okay, so it is not showing any keywords. We only show keywords idea that are relevant to your business. To get ideas, enter the landing page related website phrases that describe your product field above. Okay, so where above? Okay, so okay, it's not provided, so it's fine. So it's related to our business, so we have already selected this. So these are the keywords. When people will search with all these keywords, our ad will be shown. Then the next targeting option is by topics, so I can select topic. I can add URL over here, and maybe from my competitors topics I can select maybe anything, say brand management, not brand management, business education. I can use mm, colleges, universities, computer education, distance learning, open online courses, standard admission test, then study abroad, training and certifications. These are the things that I can use. Plus, apart from that, mm, I can use my URL also, or else maybe I can just type a keyword. Digital marketing courses, so anything that is related to it will come up. So for digital marketing courses there is no results. Let me try courses. So here I have courses, so I mean it is not coming up properly, or else yes, I mean it is coming up, but fine, some of them are related, say search engine optimization, then affiliate programming, affiliate programs, yeah, then anything related. Okay, so these are already selected. So like this I can select topics, so all these topics are selected, all these keywords are selected, and now it's time to select placement, so where I want my ads to come up. So first of all, this is the easiest method where I want my ads to come up. So I can select that business is there, communication is there, education is there, entertainment is there, events is there. Then anything else that I want. Okay, personalization can be used, productivity can be used, social can be used, tools can be used. So all these category of apps, wherever people are using these type of categories apps installed in their devices, my ads will come up in their devices. So these are the placements. So this is what one I have selected, and then I can select websites. So maybe I can provide websites, like I can even search by keywords, so I can just search for digital marketing, and say everything that is coming up related. See, YouTube channels, 1000 channels plus, there are channels for digital marketing. There are 1000 plus YouTube channels, then video lineups, websites 194. So I can select wherever, and over here you are seeing the impressions per week, which website would be the best option. So over here 1 million to 1.5 million, over here 5 lakh to 1 million, 5 lakh to 1 million, 4 lakh to 4 lakh, 4.5 lakh. So like this I can select the best websites which I want. So over here up till 1 million is there, over here also 1 million is there, over here 4 lakh, 3 lakhs is there. 10 best SEO. So okay, so these all websites I can select. So like this I can select the best websites where my ad can come, and you can see all of them are about lakh. So the traffic is good. So these are impressions per week. So I mean, you can just imagine per week so much impressions. So we can select these ads over here. So these are the websites where our ad can come up. So I can even load more and I can get, see, 4.5 million to say 5 million, 10 million, 15 million to 20 million. So I mean, you can just see these are the best. I mean, even if you just select this one website out of all these things, I mean, it is more than enough, and you can just see all of them. So yeah, I mean, it is good. So see over here, 1000 to 1500 impressions, I mean, that is very less. 50,000 to 1 lakh impressions, it's good. 3.5 to 4 million. So like this I can select all the websites. So this is done for all the websites are selected. Now I can select YouTube channels, where I can select, say, 16,000 subscribers, 7,000 subscribers, 7,000 subscribers, 7 lakh subscribers. So Neil Patel, yes. 85,000 subscribers, yes. 70,000 subscribers, 4 lakh subscribers, 65,000 subscribers, 92,000 subscribers. So I mean, you can select which channel has the highest number of subscribers, so that you know, if more people are viewing their channels, then it's better that your ad will be seen to all those people, and they might take some action. So like this also you have some options wherein you can place your ads on those channels, and you can even load more and you will get to know. So like this you can select. So these were all the YouTube channels, and if you want YouTube videos, then over here you can see 4 lakh, so it's 5 lakh views, 40,000 views, how to start a digital marketing agency. Okay, so over here, I mean, it's just 5,000 views. Over here, 3 lakh views, how to earn money online with digital marketing. So this would be seen by more people. uh, and then 41,000 views, 30,000 views, 21,000 views, 2.18 million views. So like this, I mean, you can select the best options. So yes, I think this is done. Not here. 197,000. Okay, so 1,97,000. So like this I have selected. So I think this is more than enough. So placement option is one of the best options which you can use. Video lineups is not available. Websites we have selected. Apps, we can select, say, digital marketing poster maker. So I mean, yeah, I mean, you can use this unless and until, I mean, you want to manually go and check the apps of number of installs. But since these apps are coming over here, it is the best thing that you can select all of the apps, because any app will not be displayed over here. So yeah, I mean, okay, so this much is enough. I think we have done 77, we have selected. So our targeting is really very good, and over here we can see 20,000 impressions we can get. So based on your campaign settings, but not in your budget or bid, so approximate impressions would be 20,000. Okay, so that is done. And now cost per view. So once we enter this, this figure would be updated. So how much cost we are ready to provide. So just let me try 10 paise. Yes, for view you might be surprised, but say for views you can start from the minimum, and then you can try the maximum. So 0.25. Okay, it doesn't make much difference. Maybe I can try 1 rupee, or say maybe 10 rupees. It actually doesn't make any difference. So I mean, you can just provide whatever is feasible and according to the budget. So I would say that 0.25. So this is good. So bid is selected, and now YouTube video, which video you I want to promote. So I can promote a video, say like uh, e-commerce. I can promote fast and
Do you know
effective
that
e-commerce.
95%?
So this is the video I can promote. Okay, So I'll select this video over here. It has come up, and say now I have two options whether I want skippable in-stream ads or video discovery ads. So if I select video discovery ads, then you can see your ads will come up over here, and it will not come up as a skippable ad. It will come up, it will be listed over here. Now if my ads are displayed besides the YouTube video which is going on, then you can see that I will be saving more money over here. Say on say desktop, it will come up over here on the top right hand side besides the video is playing. And if I select skippable ads, then yes, my ad will come up over here. So this is what I can use. So if I want this, I can use this. If I want to use this, I can use this. And over here also you can see this in-stream ads plays before or during or after another video on YouTube, and they give viewers option to skip the ad after 5 seconds. So yes, over here if you want to use this, so this is one of the good option. And video discovery ads, so video discovery ads can appear on YouTube search results next to the related videos or on the YouTube homepage. They invite users to click on thumbnail consisting of an image text to watch the ad. So it can appear anywhere on the video, on the home page, or say besides the ad. So this is what you can do, but it does not say unless and until people does not click on them, say your ads won't be seen by people. So the best thing is you use skippable ad because you are promoting a video ad. So this is a good option. And then final URL I can provide. So final URL would be the same, display URL will also be the same. And see over here I can provide call to action. So call to action I can select over here you have call to action, and say you can say enroll now, or say enroll today. Yeah, so I mean you can provide. So over here it will come enroll today, and over here it is coming my name. So is there any option to change my name? No, it doesn't. Okay, yeah, so it's my name is coming up, so it's okay, fine. Then call to action, okay, so over here it is say 2 characters more, so I cannot use this. Learn more, or say book now, so that can also be done. And headline, so I can use masters in e-commerce. Okay, so I mean that is also not used, so I can, it's only 15, so I can use only my name, helpopedia edu, that's it. So that will come up over here. See, now that name has changed from my name to the company name has come up. So it has come up over here. And then add URL, advanced option, tracking templates. We are not using auto generate your channel banner. So I mean this is recommended, it says so I mean this banner will come up over here when the ad is not seen. So or else you can upload your own banner, you can choose a file. So I mean you can use whatever you want. So I can select this one, open, and file is too large. Okay, fine, so I'll use auto generated for now. And then the ad name, so ad name would also be the same thing. So this is my ads, and create campaign. Okay, so now I can go to continue to campaign. So now my campaign is there. And say in the previous page I think we got one message that my ad will not run, I need to improve so the bidding. So over here I might increase to 50 paise. So I mean it's very easy to calculate that if I'm having a budget of 1000 rupees per day, that you divide by 50 paise, so that many views your ad will be getting. So that is what we'll be seeing. So then you can check that okay, how much average, how much views have happened, how much views will be seen, what was the average cost, then skippable in stream ads. So like this you can select, you will get to know. So now we go and check the ads over here. So So this is our skippable ad, and I can just click on the ad and see how does my ad appear. So like this, we can see that okay, on desktop and mobile devices it will be seen like this. And if you want to preview your ad on YouTube desktop, then it will open a
Do you
YouTube
know that
page, and
95% of
a live ad will be shown over here. So like this, my ad will be seen over here, this name will be coming up, and over here you can see skip ad. So this is how the ad will come up. So fast and effective e-commerce. Okay, so like this it will come up. So the ad will come up like this. So this is the video ad that we have done, and we can create all video ads similar to this kind of ads. So I mean, you know the different types of ads that we have done, say like all the previous ads, that is search ads. Okay, so whenever I click anything over here, so you got to know how to create search ads, display ads, video ads. So this is the three main important ads that are running, and this discovery ad was also the part of video ad when we created. So the discovery ads which are coming up on the right hand side, on the top right hand side it comes up. So those are all discovery ads when people will search something over here, so at that point of time your ad might come up. So those are discovery ads. So get more sales with visually rich personalized ads that show across YouTube, Gmail, Discover and more. So this is the places where your ads will come. So your ads will come mostly on YouTube and Gmail. So that is all discovery. So all video ads and say display ads will come up with the help of these ads. So now remaining is shopping ad. I don't think we will be able to do shopping ad, but let us try, because we require an e-commerce website for that. But still, just let me try this. So I might use leads and shopping. So I'll use leads and I'll use shopping. So now see over here, to advertise products on your website, select a merchant center account. So I need to select a merchant center account. So here I have a merchant account which Google has provided me, so that I've selected. Then I need to select the country, so I'll select the country, India. And then standard shopping campaign, so you don't have any other options available, so that I can use. And then I click on continue, and then over here the name of the campaign, so that is leads lead shopping ad. And then over here it is asking me what is your bid strategy. So it is whether it is cost per click, or say target return on ad spends, or maximize click. So I can select manual cost per click. Then in that case I would go in a loss, that I can select whatever is the maximum cost per click. I mean, but by selecting this I would be controlling my budget. So I can say that okay, how much I want to spend. I would say 500 rupees, and over here it says that okay, help increase conversions with enhanced cost per click. So that will optimize for conversions, and over here optimization for conversion value. So if I select conversion, so any conversion will be calculated. If I select value, then only value will be calculated. So that is the price of the cost. So that is what. So I will select manual cost per click and optimize for conversions, where I can control my budget. Then over here campaign priority, low, default. This is default and it is recommended if you only have one shopping campaign. You can select medium or high also, that what is the priority of the campaign. I mean, in that case your ads will be blasted everywhere and more money will be spent in less time. So that is I would not suggest. So low, which is default and recommended, that is only that we should use. And then again we have your search networks and YouTube, Gmail and Discover. All these places your ads will come up. So I mean, that is good. So on YouTube also you can see shopping ads on say when people are searching for shopping, at that point of time they will get to see those ads. Or else you can select location, enter location. but I can keep India because it doesn't matter, because say videos can be seen anywhere and people can take action from anywhere. Since this is a video, if we want to promote our video or shopping, so shopping people can purchase anywhere from India or all countries, but in all countries will require more budget, but India we can target. And then location group, so people in or who show interest in the target location, so all the people in India, wherever people are staying, so that is not a problem. And then start date and end date we need to select. So okay, fine, I'll select the start date of 7th November, and I can select none, or I can select an end date that okay fine, I want up till 15th, so that will be done. And then I click on save and continue. And then over here select the type, your campaign first ad group, so showcase shopping. So over here create multiple product ads or create single product ad. So I mean, you if you have multiple products, then you can select multiple products. If you have single product, then you can create single product. So right now I want to create a single product, so I can use single product, or I can use multiple products also. I can promote multiple courses that I can use. Then I'll provide a ad group name, so ad group name would be the same, lead shopping. And then what happened, okay, shopping, yeah. And then what is the cost per engagement? So we had selected that cost, manual cost per click. So here the bidding, what is the cost per engagement? So this bid must be maximum CPE for this ad, and you can change the bid later on. So of course, I mean, you can change it anytime. So I can say that okay fine, the maximum cost per lead should not go above 10 rupees. So if it goes above 10 rupees, then maybe my ad will be slowed down, or it could be say stopped. I mean, at that point of time, say my ads won't be shown, or it will be shown very less number of times. But if the price is 10 rupees or below 10 rupees, then my ads will be keep on showing. So that is the this is, I mean, this is the maximum amount I want to pay for the cost per engagement. I don't want my cost. Otherwise, what happens in some of the campaigns, I've seen that I have paid more than 267 rupees, or say 500 rupees, or at one place I had paid even 853 rupees something for one conversion. So I mean, that was too high. So I mean, it should not go above 10 rupees. So 10 rupees is the ideal. So in that case, you can select manually. And then over here, use all products from the selected countries and inventory files, or use selection of products. So in that case, you can select that what is the product type, or item ID, or condition, or product type, channel, everything, whatever you want you can select. So whether it is online or local store, so it's online. Then if you want to select by condition, so I mean, you can select new, refurbished, use. So that is for the physical products that you want. Then channel, okay, channel we have selected. Channel uh, exclusivity, so product group is single channel and multi-channel, so I mean, that does not apply over here. So for us it is only the channel that we have selected, that is online or local store. So for us it is online. And then I can click on save and continue. And then I need to create my ad. So now what happens is, over here I would provide the URL, so that URL would be, okay, so this is the URL that I have provided. The display URL would be my home page URL, or else I can even put store, so that doesn't matter. So it is done. And then headline is optional, so I can provide headline also. Masters in digital marketing, okay, so that is exceeding, headline is optional. Okay, so over here it is, okay, help OPD EduTech masters in digital marketing. Okay, so it is coming up like this. Okay, so I can just write digital marketing courses. Okay, course description 2, digital marketing course. Okay, it is for 120 characters, so I can use my notepad for the content that is written. So yes, I can use this. Okay, okay, it is 175, so it is more. 136. Okay, so I need to remove everything. Okay, so now it is 98. So 20 characters more, 100% career oriented. Maybe I can try this. Okay, yes, exactly. Okay, and then shopping ad name is shopping showcase shopping ad. So I will write Helpopedia store, and URL option, use a different final URL for mobile. So I mean over here, if you want to use a different URL for a mobile device, if you are having a mobile app or something like that, or you are having a mobile website, in that case you can provide that. Okay, fine, for mobile devices they can use this. So otherwise I mean it's okay if you want them to go to the same place, it's okay. So that is it, and then you can click on save and your ad is created. So we have created a shopping ad. So over here shop campaign is pending, ad type is showcase ad, and this is our ad. So let me see if I can have a preview of this. Okay, it's not there. I can just view product groups. Okay, product groups, online, everything else. Okay, so this is okay, this is what we have already selected. So yeah, I mean this is the only, the preview will come up like this. So right now I haven't added any product, so right now it is not getting displayed over here. So this would be the shopping ad, product images from feed. So I haven't added any images to the merchant center. So if I add, then it will come up. So like this I can create a shopping ads. If you are selling any products, multiple products, so then it will come up like this. So this is shopping ad. So now you know how to create a shopping ad as well. So we have covered all the ads, mm, all campaigns. Yeah, so new campaign over here, we have selected everything. And app promotion, I'm not sure if you have done this, so I'll select this app and then I'll click on continue. Okay, I need to select, and then app installs or app engagement. So app install is for the new people to install your app, and app engagement is get existing users who have already installed the app to take action in your app. So I want more app installs, and my app is Android, and then I need to select which app. So I'll select my app over here. So my app is coming up over here, then I click on continue, and then I can write okay, app promotion ad. So okay, I mean this is okay. And then where I want to promote, I mean people can download from anywhere in the globe, so that's not a problem. But in India the price I can maintain, because there won't be any cross-border conversions in terms of revenue. So the best option is selecting India. So people from anywhere from India can download the app. And location options, so people who are staying in that location, so that is recommended, is selected. And languages, we want all people to select this app. And over here budget, you want to spend each day, so I can select 1000 rupees, or say maybe I can select 500 rupees. Oh yeah. And then over here I want install volume, so that is the only option available. So this is for installation. And what kind of users you want to target, all users, so that is the only option available. And set target cost per install, how much amount we are ready to pay for per installation. So I'll say that okay, I'm ready to pay 10 paise per installation. Over here I'm not going to compromise on this cost right now. If I want, I can of course increase this. If the I see that ad is not performing, then in that case I can increase to 20 paise or 25 paise. That is what it is. And then start date and end date I can provide that, okay, from my ad should start from tomorrow, and end date would be say approximately 15 November or 16 November. And then show advanced settings. So over here, attach feed, improve target. So I mean, I'm not using this. So this is Google ad uses feeds to improve the uh, performance and targeting of your campaign. For example, your feed must be used to target users looking for products like yours, or to enable ads that include your products in the app. So here we do not, first of all, we do not have any products in the app. It is only digital marketing blog. So I mean, over here we cannot attach any feed, so we just leave this blank. So I mean, we are not uploading anything, because if we are doing it for the first time, then we do not have any data feed for this, so it's fine. And then I click on save and continue. Then I need to create an ad group. So ad group we are creating, so this is for app install. And then over here I need to provide the images and everything. So headline I can provide up till 5. So I can select the headline. Okay, masters in digital marketing. Okay, then another headline, diploma in digital marketing. Then okay, so we need 5 headlines. Okay, SEO courses, or say diploma in digital marketing. You already entered this, see, you cannot use this. Okay, so that is done. Then mobile marketing courses. Then e-commerce plus digital marketing. And then finally one more, so masters in okay, masters in SEO. Okay, so this is done. And then description up till 90 characters. Okay, fine, I'll use the same description. Okay, so again 5 descriptions. Okay, fine. Okay, so description 2, description 3, description 4, and description 5. So we have 5 headings, 5 descriptions, and now we need to add up to 20 images, but the images for this are not that good. So I can use this, or maybe this and this, and click on save. And hopefully if there is no error. Okay, so yeah, there is no error for this. I can use videos also up till 10, or recently use videos. So I will use this one, this one, and yeah, this one. So these are videos I'll use. Save. So 4 videos are done. And then HTML we are not uploading. So like this the ad will come up. And then we need to click on save and continue. I hope everything is fine. Yeah, save and continue. And then we get a confirmation that your app install ad is done, and then continue to campaign. Yeah, it's done. So this is our ad groups. go to add groups and click on add groups, and I want to select ads and extensions, and then I select ads. So this is the ads which we have selected. Okay, this is lead display app promotion ad. Which one was, see now it is say if you have not selected the right campaign, if you do not know the campaign name, then over here it is very difficult to know which campaign, which ad is belongs to which campaign. So for that reason we provide all these campaign names. And how do I go to all the campaigns, and how do I reach the right ad which I've created? So over here I'll click on campaign. So these are all the campaigns, and which campaign did I click to create today? So it was this one, which was, say we created these two ones. So over here you can see this one, app promotion app, that was 16. So I'll click on this, and then I'll go to the ad group. So I'll click on ad group. So we selected app installs, and then I need to go to my ads. So over here app promotion and app installs. So yes, so currently these are under review, and from there we selected all these images were we added and videos we added. So these are all the assets, ad assets that we created. So all the headlines, description, and images and videos that we have used. So we can check all these things. So like this we get to see. And change history is if we have made any changes in the ad, then we'll get to know that if we have done any changes, that okay, previously we were using this, and today we are using this, we have updated all these things. So this is what we can see. So like this we can check our campaigns, and we can go to different ads, and we can check what is the performance and everything. That all things we can check in the reports. And yes, of course, there is one more thing that is called as dashboard. So over here you can create your own dashboard and add all the reports that you want to be seen on a regular basis. So over here you can say custom report, and in that custom report you can create a table, and so you have a blank table. So over here you can provide that okay, fine, weekly report. So in weekly report I'll provide a name, and then what are the things that I want. So I want performance. So under performance, what are the things you want? You want to know the clicks, so you will add the clicks, you will add the cost. Then you might want to know what is the average cost per click, you want to know average what is cost per milestone, or say how many phone calls did you get, what was the average cost per engagement, what was the average cost per view. Then total how many views did we get, what was the average cost. Then how many engagements did we get, how many YouTube views did we get, how many subscribers did we earn. So I mean you have various options, say like viewable impressions and everything. I mean whatever you want you can add. So this was just from one category, so that was performance. Now if you want to know from targeting, then you can select from targeting, that okay, what was the targeting that you want. So here you cannot select all these things because it is grayed out. So that is depends on what performance, whatever categories, whatever subcategories you have selected from performance, then the remaining matching subcategories you can add. See over here it is selected budget, you can select. Then campaign type, what was the campaign type, whether in a row or column. So I mean that you can select in a column. Then what was the start date, when did we start, when did we end. So those all things we can select. Then what was the bid strategy. So I mean whatever you want you can create your own report, and then over here you can save report. So now this report is saved. So now every time you want you can come and you can check all these things. So here this is the budget and everything provided. Over here the search is provided. So these all things are provided, and then you can select the duration also, from which day to which day, or this month last 14 days, the last week last month, this week this last week, and all these things, yesterday, today. or else you can select. So these are the weekly reports, so you will get the reports for each week. You will get to know. Here we are seeing for all time, so instead of all time you want to see for this month, so this month whatever things we have created, it will be shown over here. So right now we don't have any clicks because we did not run any live ads in this month, or we can select all time report, so maybe the past content we might be able to see over here. You can see 210 rupees. So I mean over here we'll just high to low, so we'll get to know all the ads that we had done in past and how much amount that we spent for this. So these all things we get to know. So now we have whatever we have selected, all these things have come up over here. You can just check, each and everything have come up, but over here we have added everything. This is just for your I was just showing you the things that you can add and you can edit, delete and all those things. But say these all should be used in a different kind of report. So like if you are creating a report for video, then only the viewing and cost per view and all those options should come up in a video view. Then if it is a display, then it should come up that what is the cost, what is the impressions that we got, how many clicks that we got. Those all things should come under display report. See over here I have just mentioned weekly report. Instead of this, you can create a report wherein you can just say that it's a display ad reports, or say YouTube video ads or search ads, and then you can add what are the parameters that you want from all these things. So I mean you can anytime remove this whatever you want, campaign type or clicks or anything that you want. See, you can just delete it and you can again add it again whenever you want. So like this you can get to know everything. So okay, so the first thing is campaign type, budget, name and everything, and levels of detail. So you need to add a campaign also, so that all things is campaigns. So where is the campaign? Yeah, so the campaign is over here. So maybe you want to shift it to the top so it will be seen as the first one. So campaign name, so after the selecting the campaign name I should get to know all the details. So like this, I mean you can just add, delete and then you can save, you can reset it and all those things you can create. So you can create your own reports. It's, you do not need to rely on the ready-made predefined reports that are available over here. I mean you can create your own dashboards, you can create multiple dashboards, you can create multiple reports in the same dashboard, and I mean you can use this. And then of course you can download this report also. So you have various formats available: PDF, XML, Excel file, CSV file. So I mean like this you have various options. So usually we download Excel file because we can highlight some of the things if you want to make something bold or make something red, that okay this is not performing, this is performing. So this is all reporting type, and then Excel file would be the best option to download. However, if you just want to see it for a review, then you can download a PDF file, so everything is fine. So I mean this is all the reports. So like this you can create various ads, and then you can I mean see how it works, and then reporting is there. And like I said, from settings and billing you can create you can upload the funds in summary over here. And over here in promotions, if you click on promotions, you will get a promo code. So if you are doing the ad for the first time, you will get a promo code wherein say you might get 2000 rupees credit for spending 500 rupees. So this means that whenever you upload 500 rupees in your account, 2000 rupees will be added automatically for the campaign. So you can use 2500 rupees in your campaign. So this is, you will be getting it for the first time in the ad. And I mean usually people get it only once, but if you search for the codes with different emails, you create Google Ads accounts for with different email Gmail accounts, then for each and every account you can get a code, and those code can be used in this account. So I mean it's okay. And there are many websites from where you can get Google Ads promotion code, plus you will you will be getting all the codes in your email also whenever they have some promotions. So it's not that you will get 2000 rupees every time. Maybe they might give you 750 rupees or maybe just 500 rupees. So whenever you spend 500, you get 500 rupees. Whenever you spend 1000 rupees, you might get 750 rupees. So over here, since this is first time, when you spend 500 rupees, you get 2000 rupees. So this is for promoting Google Ads. So this is the promotion that they are doing, so that people will get encouraged to use Google Ads and do more advertising, to do more research and development on the ads, and see how they are performing and get results. So this was all about Google Ads. And see, okay, this is campaign. You need to tap on the notifications also, and if any campaigns are ending soon, so then you can either dismiss it or you can fix it. So that's it. So yeah, like that you can use this. So this was all about the Google Ads, that we have seen different types of ads. And I mean, you can try everything, what works, what does not work, because see over here, this is like say a maths problem, wherein say it's an equation which you need to solve, and everybody might not be using the same method and same steps to solve the equation. So I mean, you might use something different, I might use something different, but at the end, getting results is important. So that comes only with the trial and error. So trial and error means that you don't add money into it, but yes, you just keep on creating new ads. And maybe once you are confident, then maybe you can just upload 500 rupees, which is the minimum that you can upload, and see which ad to run. So then you will get to know that, okay, fine, this ad is running the best. So you can try search ads with different target audience and different locations, and see which is working, and how much is the cost per click, or say, I mean, how much results are getting, how many leads you are getting, how many views you are getting. So yes, I mean, this is one of the best thing that you can do. And video ads are also there. So I mean, you can try it out. The cheapest ads I would recommend to try with is search ads. So search ads are the very cost effective ads if you want to do trial and error. So with different types of ads, so it's not like, okay, fine, you have spent 5 rupees or 10 rupees in one ad, you can pause that ad and you can create a new ad, and you can see that ad again. You just see for 1 or 2 days, or maybe say 3-4 hours, you might see that ad again. You can pause that ad again, create a new ad, and like this you will keep on improving, so that that 500 rupees can be used for say hundreds of ads. And you can see. But of course, if the ad is running good, you will never know that if that amount is getting spent within 1 or 2 hours. So you need to keep a track on all those things. So whenever you run an ad, you need to sit on it till the time you pause it. Or else whenever you feel that, okay, you want to move away from your PC, at that point of time you just pause that ad, so that you will get to know the live results. Otherwise, when you come back, you will get to know that, okay, all the amount is exhausted. So then again you need to upload it. So you then, in that case, you will not be able to see the live results. So yes, testing would be just 500 rupees to do all the trial and error. So in that 500 rupees, you can do search ad, 3-4 search ads you can do. Maybe you can do say 2-3 display ads, maybe 1 or 2 video ads, but of course they are costly. So I mean, 500 rupees will get exhausted within say just few views or impressions or clicks. So like that, I mean, you can just try it out with 500 rupees, and you can use multiple ads and see on it. But just make sure that you are on it. So whenever you are free, and you have at least 1 or 2 hours together, so at that point of time you can try these ads. And yeah, whenever you are moving away, don't forget to pause the campaign, because you are doing a test run. So yes, in 500 rupees you will learn all the ads practically. So unless and until you don't do it practically, you will not understand that, okay, fine, creating an ad is easy, but say like you said that you created the ad but you did not add the money. But how will you get to know that the ad which you have created you are getting the right results, or that ad does not require any fine tuning? So that of course you will get it only when you run the ad live. So that is the reason I said that you can start with the search ads, which are the cheapest ads. So yes, that is the best option, or else you control the cost manually in whichever ad you go. So I mean, we have selected the automated ads wherein Google will take care of our costing, but that costing can be anything. I mean, it can be 5 rupees, it can be 10 rupees, it can be 15 rupees. But if you select that, okay fine, I don't want my budget to exceed 3 rupees per click or 1 rupee per click, then it will not exceed that 1 rupee, unless and until any of the ad might say that you need to put minimum 8 rupees 50 paise or 8 rupees 74 paise or 8 rupees 73 paise, then that's a different story. But usually say in most of the ads you can add manually, so that's not a problem. So you can try different locations, different target audience, different bid strategies, and check out what works the best. And any which ways I'm always there for helping you out, and you can list down all the doubts after trying the ads, and then we can resolve all those things. So then we will start with our mm, we have reached the half the way of the course, and from the next session we are going to start with social media marketing. So in social media marketing we would be starting with Facebook first, creating pages and optimizing the pages and using Facebook, the features of the Facebook, and how to use them. And then finally, once we complete all the features and creation of Facebook pages and everything, after that we will start with Facebook ads. Now say if you know Google ads, then it is very easy to understand Facebook ads, and if you know Facebook ads, it is very easy to understand Google ads, because over there also you have campaigns, ad groups, and ads, the same thing. The only thing is that UI is different and internal parameters are different, but even they are quite easy. They are not much complicated like Google ads. Creating Facebook ads are quite easy, and yes, for that you require a Facebook page. Without a Facebook page you cannot create an Facebook ad. So yes, we'll start with Facebook. Okay, so in the next session we'll start with Facebook. So any questions for today?
No, 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 no.
Okay,
All
fine,
clear.
then see you in the next session. We'll start with Facebook. Okay, yeah, thank you, bye.